Now for a speedometer, again open a raw data by double clicking it. Here it has been open, maximize it for full screen view. Now here has double click to them so that they get adjusted in the data too. Now again press Alt F8 simultaneously, select speedometer, run. You have to give the time on which the LOCO has been run. Has, so we will write here the date. Here it is 29/10/2015. So we will write month first, then date slash year and select. Now press time, say 4 a.m. So we'll press hour, minute and second here, write am, enter. Now we'll write end time and date as it has been shown here. Example also has been given. We have to write in similar manner 10/19/2025. Let us say for 6 a.m. we will need data. So we'll enter 6:00:00 and write am and enter. A pop-up has been come here which is data process complete. Column DEG deleted, column JDN cleared, data filtered between this and it, all rows has been reduced. We press OK and this is what we get. Now we'll go to file here, save as, select the place where you want to save. For this instance we want to save on desktop, so we'll select desktop and we'll name it anything like driver's name and select Excel workbook, save. Now open this SPM app. It will take some time. Write LP's name like we have Adam. Designation you can give, train number you can give, phone number you can give, journey date you can give whatever remarks you can give. Here choose file and select the name. Here we have mistaken type and add in. Select it, submit. It will take 3 to 4 minutes before generating the report. So we will wait till that, come back when it. As you can see now, the report has been generated. Let's save report. Here it get download, open file, minimize this, and you can see the LP's performance report. Here the graph. This is all for today. Have a nice day.